Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm making a little white dress for a 4 to 5 year old. I'm taking some spare material. The measurements for this material is 26 by 27 inches, double folded with a folded end at the end. So I'm going to fold it over twice so we have 4 layers. For the length of this dress, I want to keep it 22 inches, so I'm going to cut 24 inches. So I'm marking that and then just cutting off the excess. Just so you know that this will be the top end and that will be the bottom end, and the fold end is opposite me. So here I'm marking between 1.5 and 2 inches down from the top and straightening that. This measurement depends on how wide your elastic is. And then from this line I'm marking 5 inches for the armhole and then straightening that line as well. For the chest I'm marking 7 inches from the fold and then 1 inch for seam allowance. And I'm marking the seam allowance mark to the end of the dress. At the hemline, I'm giving it a 1 inch curve from the corner and then just cut it out. There's a fold here, so I'm just going to cut that open. I'm going to open this up and then I want the right sides facing each other. So I'm going to turn the right side of the material so they're both facing each other. So once you've got the right sides facing each other, we want to make a seam on the 2 ends of this dress. This will be our shoulder seams. So next we're going to sew these seams. These are the armholes. So on the outer side of the material we're going to make a fold and then make another fold and sew them together. So on the outer side of both the armholes, we're just going to make a fold on both sides. With this seam, I found it easier to start off thinner and then go thicker in the middle and then thinner again at the other end. So at this point we've done the shoulder seams, the armholes, and now we're just going to do the side seams. We start the side seams where we finished the armhole seams, so taking those 2 seams and making an inch seam all the way down to the hemline. So once you've done that on both sides and finished your side seams, we're going to just carry on and do the hemline, and that's just a simple fold and a fold again. While I'm busy sewing on the sewing machine, I would like to mention that all the little girl dresses that I sew on this channel will be donated to charity. At the moment I'm going to donate them to a local charity shop, but if you guys know any place that are in need, please mention it in the comment section below so I can have a look and consider other charities as well. So please support my channel so I can continue donating everything I make on this channel starting from 2021. So hemline is done, side seams are done, armholes are done, and all that's left to do is the neckline. Here we're just going to make a small fold, about 1/2 inch, and then a bigger fold, which is about 1 inch or 1.5 inches, depending on how thick your elastic is. When you come to almost the end, we need to leave a gap about 2–2.5 inches for the elastic to go through. So in total this measures 27 inches, and so I'm going to cut my elastic around about 20 inches. I get myself a little safety pin, put it through the elastic, and then I put it through to the open end of the shirt dress and take it all the way around until I come out at the other end. So I've gone and sewed the 2 ends of the elastic together, and now you can just check for size. Make sure everything's okay and close the gap that you left open for the elastic. This is how it looks all finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.